What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, today we've got this fantastic Empire Strikes Back Star Wars bike. It's like perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. But we're going to cut the front end off of it and then weld it to the front end of the trike. That way it's got a lot better steering. These bikes are super expensive. If you don't know, I'm going to cut it right about there. Weld it on. They're super expensive, and I actually picked this up for a decent price. So I'm going to start cutting this thing up, and then I'm going to grab the trike and see how far we can get today. Alright guys, I'm going to throw you on a time lapse, and I'll be back in a little bit. Later. Alright guys, we have got this thing ready for paint. I got the light going, garage door closed, just keep it warmer in here so it's easier, better to paint. Got the neck done. I don't know what you call that. Whatever to mount the tire. I re-welded that foot extension. But yeah, we're pretty much ready to go. I've got the paint. So I picked up another can of the paint. Another can of the clear. And I also picked up red. Well, not picked it up, I had this. But I figure the red on here will match the red on the Predator motor. So it'll be red and black, black and green, green and black, black and red. Because you got, that'll be all green, and then you got the black and red on here, and then the handlebars are already like a candy color. So I'm just gonna repaint that to a flat black color, or not black, sorry, flat red industrial color. So I'm gonna throw you guys on a time lapse, and I'm gonna get this thing painted. All right, everybody, we are done painting. Check it out. Left the light on all night to kind of help it dry and cure. Feels okay. Doesn't feel extra smooth. I mean, could have been better, but what do you expect in 30-degree weather and being painted inside of a garage? But yeah, should be good. Next thing will be to clean this neck up, mount the tire over there, get everything ready, shine it up, and then I'm actually going to take some pictures of it and put it on old marketplace to try and sell it. But I'm gonna throw you guys on a time lapse so I can go ahead and get this thing put together, and we'll take it out for a ride real quick. It's a nasty day, but if we're gonna sell this thing, we might as well take it out for a spin. All right, I'm gonna throw you guys on a time lapse real quick. Bye. Alright guys, we're all finished up. It's cleanup time, but here's the trike in all her glory. All finished up. Check it out. Fat tire on and done, boy. I had to adjust this brake a lot, but it'll be alright. Ran it a little bit, seems to be doing good. See if we can get her to start up. On and on. Let's go ahead and that is the end finale of the drift trike. You know, stage one, whatever, filter, jet, governor bypass, clutch driven, full axle setup, hydraulic brakes in the back, just regular bike brakes on the front, 26-inch fat tire, and she's done. That's the end of the drift trike, guys. Now all we're gonna do is put her up on Marketplace, try and sell her. So I think I'll put it up for like maybe $1,000. I don't know. I think I got I keep to myself what I've got in it, but she's all done, guys. I'll go ahead and end this thing off with appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. Appreciate you watching. If you have any ideas for anything else I could have done different with this, or some cooler, anything else I could have done, any ideas, leave them in the comments down below. And appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll see you later.